Hey guys, it's Eric Nguyen from Ascensio Agency. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys exactly what the winning Google Ads formula for your plumbing business. All right, let's dive right in. And if you guys want to check more content that I have, you guys can head over to my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and TikTok. All the links are here provided for you. And if you want to learn the best Google Ads training, whether you're a local service-based business owner, you guys can head more to my channel or just directly click on this link to watch this inside the document here for you guys. So let's dive right in. So the number one thing that we're going to be talking about today is the bidding strategy. When you guys first create your campaign and select your bidding structure, you will have a selective option that Google will give you when you select the bidding structure. Usually it will give you a maximize clicks, maximize conversions, and maximize conversion values, and etc. Most people or local business will select the maximize clicks option, but when you do that, Google will only send you traffic. However, it doesn't really give you the traffic that you're looking for, whether it's a customer that's going to be or a new lead. They're just going to give you tire kickers. You want to find people who are actually looking for your service, whether they are not a tire kicker, right? So typically what you want to start with is a manual CPC bidding structure if you are starting out in Google Ads to get some data in first. But you're probably asking maybe what about maximize conversions? Google will not know what that is because if you're running Google Ads on a new account and your account is fresh and new, they will not know what conversions are and what kind of conversion is for you, whether it be a sale, phone call, or something like that. In order for you to actually get to maximize conversions, you need a minimum about 20 to 30 conversions when you select the bidding strategy from manual CPC to build some data and trust. So that way Google will know exactly what type of conversion will be to be able to change the bidding structure. As you can see in this image here, you want to select that option where it says manual CPC. So number two, we're going to talk about the trust and location. A lot of business get this wrong when you guys are targeting the wrong location. In order to build trust, you need to have the right location for your local service-based business. You want to make sure you select advanced location and select the radius option. This is important because I always think about it as this. You want to put yourself in the customer's perspective or in their shoe. Do I want a service that can act now and come to my house and fix this in the next 30 minutes, hour? Are they 5 miles away? Are they 10 miles away, 15 miles away, or even 20 miles away, right? By setting the radius, this will allow only serious customers who are actually looking for your service in that radius range instead of just targeting the whole city, whether people don't want your service and are not serious and, wanting, a easier location, whether it be 5-10 miles away from them, right? Think of that in the customer perspective. And the other thing is to make sure you want to turn off your search network and display network. The reason why this is important in the trust is because you do not want Google to be targeting in other channels that do not have serious buyers when someone clicks on your ad, right? That's the biggest thing. Number three, we're going to talk about the landing page. The biggest mistake when running ads is not having a direct landing page of what service you provide. So for example, if your local service-based business is the best at providing water leakage repair or drain repair, then you'll want to have a specific landing page for that service. And what I mean by that, I recommend going straight to the point of what your service is. You show the guarantees, the testimonials, the reviews, and having a call to action, whether it's a phone number or for someone to dial you or a form someone to fill out, so that way you have your employees or your sales reps to call them, so that way you can get them to the service that they need, right? And here's a great example of a simple landing page of a shop. Why you would choose this Miami router. They have great pricings, convenient scheduling, emergency services, and licensed and insured, and a very simple bio about the company itself, and a simple call to action for them that they're available 24/7. Call today or request a job estimate filling out a form below, right? Very simple. Now, the last thing that we're going to talk about is the negative keywords. We want to have people who are looking for your service. We don't want people who are looking for your service, plus whether it be a job, an application, a do-it-yourself, which is known as a DIY, or an ideas or videos for them to do it themselves, right? When someone clicks on your ads with those type of search word, whether it be saying plumbing near me, and then it also says, they'll say like services or DIY, we do not want people to actually click on your Google ads. It's going to waste your money in here. And they're not going to be actual buyers because they're just looking around other than your service, right? They're looking to save money by doing things themselves. In order to target the right buyers, we need to add these negative keywords to maximize our Google ads to target these specific people who are actually in need of your service, right? This allows our ad to not show to people when someone searches on Google when it says plumbing service video, etc., right? If you do not have negative keywords, this is going to be the number one place where you will waste money if you do not have these negative keywords added in your place here. So an example of this image below here, you want to add these very similar words, whether it be job, hiring, application, intern, internship, certification, apprentice, etc. So now guys, I'm going to dive in and show you exactly how to get there and how to set this up for your guys' campaign. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So now once you guys are headed to the Google Ads campaign, I'm going to walk you through exactly the 4 steps in the winning formula, how to do these things. So the first thing is what you're going to do is go to your campaigns, and then you're going to head over to the tool section here, and where you're going to click on that tool. So the first thing that we want to make sure is we're going to adjust our bidding option here. So the best way we do is we're going to make sure that we update our bidding. We're going to hit and press change bid strategy. As you can see, it's going to tell us all these strategies that recommends from Google. We don't want to do that there. We're going to hit the change bid strategy like so, and then we're going to hit select a bid strategy directly not recommended. Since you guys are running a new ad account, you're going to select manual CPC. You're going to press save, and that should be it from there. So now the second thing is making sure we do the location. We're going to select this location here. The first thing you want to do is when you select the location target, you want to enter another location here. Once that's done, you'll hit the advanced search. This is where you can select in the radius and add your location here, guys. Very simple and straightforward from there. Third one, then the final one that we're going to talk about is the negative keywords. All you're going to do is head over to tools. You're going to head over to shared library, and then you're going to hit the exclusion list here. This is where you're going to be able to press and add the negative keywords into your guys' keyword search when you guys are running your Google search campaigns. That way, once it's run, you're all set to go. So that way it's easier for you to make sure you're not wasting money on Google ads when people have keywords such as videos, DIY, all that kind of stuff going on. But that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment if you guys have any questions below, and as always, subscribe to this channel. It helps me out a lot to grow and not only help you guys. Thank you guys so much.